Why does your stomach growl like a grumpy monster when you're hungry? It turns out your stomach is not actually complaining. It is just doing its job. Those rumbling sounds are called borborygmi, and they happen when gas and fluids move through your digestive system. When you are hungry, your brain sends signals to your stomach and intestines to get ready for food. Muscles start contracting, and if there is nothing much in there, all that movement makes some serious noise. But here's the weird part. Your stomach can growl even when you are full. It is just a part of the natural rhythm of digestion, whether you are craving pizza or just finished eating one. So, next time your stomach starts talking, remember, it is not mad. It is just making music for your next meal.